Socrates once said that wisdom begins with wonder. Inside Out Nature would add that wonder is inspired through nature. Inside Out Nature is the leading Danish forest school training and consultancy organisation and aims to provide pedagogical knowledge to develop practitioners' own practice when working in their own setting. Based in Denmark, Inside Out Nature is steeped in the Scandinavian tradition of using nature and the outdoor environment as a learning resource, and believes that it is essential for each practitioner to have the pedagogical knowledge to understand not only the what to do, but also the how and the why. Its training, consultancy and other services provide the practitioner with the theoretical and practical knowledge to use the outdoor learning environment competently and confidently. For all your professional development needs for developing your outdoor learning practice in your own setting, call on Inside Out Nature or visit us on one of our residentials in Denmark.